Hey guys, OMG ITS WILD WILL here, and today I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm actually going to my friend's house, and then we're going to be exploring an abandoned, that's right, factory. So, let's get into this. Right, so, we're now going to the abandoned factory. So, let's get it. Let's get it. Right, so we're heading to the abandoned factory right now. Just, had his dinner. And I'm gonna get mine soon enough, but this is gonna be an adventure. Got a face mask, whatever it's called, and a bandana. Holy, I got one of those things that you put around your mouth, but it's Gucci. Let's go. Okay, it's over there. That's where we're heading. Right, we're up. We did some workers over far there. We're gonna crawl and not make a noise. Can this fall, Ryan? Can this roof fall? Okay, I think this is a bit more solid weight. Yeah, this is more safer. Ryan's taking his time. Right, so I've had to wear this mask, so I don't want to get spotted, but I think someone's in there, I genuinely think someone's in there. No. Not stable. Wait, look, it cracked right on where I was standing. I'm gonna get not back, but we'll explore a bit more. I'll go further that way. That looks like there's an entrance over there, yeah? Okay, be quiet, stealthy, yeah? Assassin's Creed. That bit, but this bit's stable. This bit's stable, that bit over there is not stable, so don't go further up, stay on the edges. It's pitch black. No joke. We heard something. Keep hold. If I die here, please Ryan, take over this channel. Is that a dog whistle? Is that a dog whistle? Holy. Someone might, the dog whistle. This is the most extreme things I've done on this channel yet. You staying on the safe part. Okay, literally we dropped down all the way down. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to blank out the swears. No, this isn't. What? Listen. It's not safe. Ryan, we've dug ourselves into a hole. I'm gonna have to. Yeah. Right, so guys, I've literally got to end recording right now for a sec. So I can safely get over to that part down there instead of falling, because it isn't stable. Right. I'm gonna put you in the pocket 1 sec. Okay, Ryan's a bit slow, but taking it gently so we don't fall. There's those little gaps in the roofs, so he's cracked it. Yeah, I nearly fell through. So this is all the way down. Oh, keep it in your pocket, safe.
Gone wrong, Dean.
All right, so we just done that, but we had to leg it at the end, mostly because we saw a worker and he spotted us. And then we had to leg it, we had to jump down, literally where we climbed up from. It's quite high. And then yeah, we had to just leg it. A couple of kids there, but they didn't do anything, so shout out to them. But we're now going to the church. I'm not too sure if I'm doing this in a separate video, it depends how long this is. But yeah, in a bit. Right, okay, so we're going back up there just to try and get inside again, but let's go. Okay, so we've come up here again to do some more pictures. I was going to do some pictures for the Instagram. Look what we come back to. Pennywise for clown. balloon. Come here, right? We're the screech. Right, come, go like, put your head here. Okay, we'll do the plan. If there is anyone in here, please let us know. Like last time, the balloon went. So I'm expecting something. Last time I said that, the balloon came across. Oh my god. Please throw something if you are in here. And we will then leave you alone. Holy shit! Took some pictures, yeah? But the most scariest stuff happened. So, because the red balloon Pennywise, and as soon as I said, throw something, they threw it and we ran. Right, we're gonna go down now. It wasn't him, because I was looking at him, but I heard it threw. Alright, okay. We gotta leg it from now on. Right, so we've just came back from exploring the abandoned factory, and legit that was one of the most scariest things that's happened to me. Even though we didn't actually see someone, it was more of a mystery. So that's what made it more scary. And we did go up there and take a few photos, which is going to be uploaded to our Insta. So yeah.
Not being one.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.